In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GoCharting Renko Chart. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean Renko view for any stock, crypto, or forex symbol, and you'll understand what you're looking at so you can analyze price action with more confidence. First, open your chart. Head to the GoCharting website in your browser. When the platform loads, open the symbol you want to view. You can choose a stock, a cryptocurrency, or a forex pair, whatever you follow. If you know the ticker or trading pair, type it into the symbol field at the top and select it from the results. If you see multiple listings for different exchanges, pick the one that matches where you prefer to pull data from. After a moment, your standard price chart will appear, typically as candlesticks. Next, change the chart type. Look along the toolbar above the chart area. Find the control labeled Chart Type. It's usually near the options for indicators and time intervals. Click it to open the drop-down menu. From the list of available chart styles, select Renko. If the list is long or compact, scroll within the menu to locate Renko. Once you select it, give the chart a brief moment to redraw. Your chart will now display as Renko bricks. Instead of plotting each time interval, Renko builds a new brick only when price moves by a set amount. Upward movement typically appears in one color and downward movement in another, making trends and pullbacks stand out clearly. Because Renko focuses on price rather than time, the view usually looks cleaner than a traditional candlestick chart, with fewer distractions from minor fluctuations. As you look at the Renko view, watch how consecutive bricks in the same direction highlight momentum. When bricks start alternating, that often signals choppier conditions or a potential slowdown. Keep in mind that Renko can smooth out noise, which is great for clarity, but it may react slightly later to reversals because a full brick move must complete before direction changes on the chart. That's it. 2 simple actions to use a Renko chart on GoCharting. Open the symbol you want, then use the chart type drop-down on the top bar and choose Renko. From there, you can analyze trends, identify breakouts more easily, and keep your focus on meaningful price moves. Try switching a few different symbols into Renko so your eye gets used to the patterns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next walkthrough.